Hey guys, it's Matt, welcome to SpeedTutor and welcome to Made with Unity Mondays for the 13th of June 2022, where I feature some of the best games, creations, visual effects and everything made in Unity. And be sure to submit to me if you have any awesome creations. Do check out my Patreon to get access to over 145 different scripts, assets and projects you cannot find anywhere else. And do check out my video on all the savings that you can make this month across Unity, game dev and so many savings. We've got Blasteroni, which I saw somebody create something in Blender, which was a really cool idea, but this is created in Unity called the Mimic. Dinkum Dev has got early access on the 14th of July with all the lifestyle goodness. Hatchling has got active ragdoll, procedural climbing, and it's all kicking off. Divine Studios has got a radar to detect enemies, and we've got more insane special effects. VJoy AU has got the game Hypercore, which is a mix of bullet hell and a rhythm game, and it looks spectacular. Captain Kala has got a teaser video for the new tool Nanotech, which is all for Unity, which allows you to render high detail meshes at runtime. If everybody could throw a like on this video and make sure you're subscribed to always be kept up to date to the new videos that are coming out. Kriegsfront has a turn-based mecha strategy game with an alternative 1970s setting for you to check out. Irish John Games, 4 years, 3 iterations, and we've got the game Rise of Piracy. Nil Stuff has been solo deving a multiplayer game, and look what they've got so far. Rosehood Games has got FUMO Racing, with new races, original music, and so much more. Costa_dev has got the Shining Blood elevator with real-time liquid simulation. Skiff has got some awesome visual effects with the magic space portal. SpaceLizard Studios has got more of their making the characters for Papercut Mansion. War God Wales 100 has been adding hair fibers to the floating objects in the world to make the underwater feeling 100% more creepy. Check out Uprooted, the precision platforming game coming winter 22. Desolus Dev has got portals which break time and space. World_Turtles has got exactly what I just suggested. Unity Shader Bible has got the first physical version, which you can get hold of on Amazon, with all their shader goodness. Tovanbo has got experimenting with lasers and dynamic patterns for you to see if you can beat the time. We've got Domino Shooter with a small editor tool which allows you to snap and align objects directly to a surface. We've got Thibawkward that has managed to get their riding on skinned mesh rails. And the True Colours dev has got a hybrid third-person shooter hack and slash with a really unique style. So be sure to check out all these insane creations for this week be sure to submit to me if you have any awesome creations. Do be sure to come and check out my Patreon if you want to get access to over 145 different scripts, assets and projects you cannot find anywhere else. Come and join me on Discord if you want to chat. Check out my great assets on the Unity Asset Store and on my website for massive discounts on all of those for up to 40%. Big thank you to all my patrons including Peter Steiner, Raheem Whittaker, David76, Gene Pommier, Manus Bericast, Terence Conrad, Gage Linston, Walter Dunson, John Games, Joseph Newman, Rennie Leisure, Darren M, Topher Chambers, Kreshnik Halili, Matt Claudius, Bond of Blood, Isaac Zamani, Julian Gonzalez, and Gary McGee. So thank you to everybody else who comes to watch the video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.